Hello guys, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 11, and problem number 11 is to print on the console screen the biggest number. We will collect or we will read two numbers from the user through the console screen, and the biggest one I want the compiler print it for me or display it for me with the string the biggest number is and the biggest number. Alright, so how are we gonna solve this problem? First thing, we will build or create read numbers. This function already a procedure we take it a million times before. Alright, in the previous problems, it's from void, and inside its parameters num1, num2 by ref. Alright, why by ref? To use them in another functions and in the main function. Let's open the read numbers. We just did these questions to display it on console screen for the user and collect the numbers to store them inside num1 and num2. Alright, and after that we create another function. We name it check the biggest number. I want the compiler take num1, num2, its parameter take num1, num2, and check which is the biggest number. Let's open it. We have this logic inside check the biggest number. If num1 greater than num2, return num1, else num2. If number 1 bigger than number 2, return for me please number 1, unless return for me number 2. So this is the second function under name check the biggest number, and after that we print it. We create print results. Also this procedure is old, we use it already many times in the previous problems. In its parameters we have biggest number variable. Biggest number variable, its value come from check the biggest number. Alright, check the biggest number, it will return as the biggest number and it will be stored in the biggest number variable. So let's open print results. We just have this string, the biggest number is, we will call biggest number, and here in the main function we define declare num1, num2, and after that we call read numbers to let the compiler go and read the numbers and store them inside num1, num2, and because they are by ref we can use them in the main function also. Alright, and in the end check the biggest number. The compiler will check the biggest number, and after that we will print it. So that was problem number 11. It was about to print on the console screen the biggest number, and that was the problem of today. See you next problem.